So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to format the text. So to select the font type, you're going to select Format. I'm going to go all the way down and select Font. And unfortunately, there's not a lot to choose from, but there's some to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select Comic Sans. I'm going to make the font just a little bit bigger so you can see. And I'm going to type in today's assignment. I'm going to say Think Central. Chapter 2. Okay, and so I'm going to change the font background by selecting that palette down here. I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to change the color so it's nice and bright. I'm going to change the font color so it's white. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. Go over here, select the palette, and I'm going to maneuver this around just a little bit. Pull it down, select Save. I'm going to select the font size to be color to be white. Again, highlight the text, change the font. Let's do that. And white. And I want to center it, so I'm going to select that button right here and center. There you go.